Now this chapter deals with capital budgeting. Now this is a decision-making process that financial managers go through all the time. And the capital budgeting is defined as the process of planning expenditures whose returns are expected to extend beyond 1 year. In finance, when you see the word capital, it denotes something long-term in nature. In this case, a long-term meaning something that goes on for more than a year. And so this is capital budgeting. And then we're going to go through these first few problems here. All these are the same problem, basically. And they want us to calculate some of these capital budgeting techniques, just kind of an introduction to these techniques. The first problem says Project K costs $52,125. Its expected cash inflows are $12,000 a year for 8 years, and its weighted average cost of capital is 12%. And they asked us to calculate the net present value of the project. Now, net present value is defined as the present value of the inflows minus the present value of the outflows. Inflows are the cash inflows. What's the benefits of the project? And what they tell us is that if we buy this project, the cash inflow, the benefit now, we're going to get $12,000 a year for 8 years. We subtract from that the present value of the outflows, which is also known as initial investment. In other words, what's the cost of getting into the project? And they tell us the cost, the present value of the outflows, the initial investment, $52,125. $12,000 a year for 8 years, that's an annuity. We'd multiply by our PVIFA, N equal to 8, I equaling your required return, your cost of capital, which they tell us is 12%. Remember, cost of capital is your minimum acceptable return. 12,000 times your PVIFA at 8 and 12% is $59,611.20. Subtract from that your initial investment, the present value of the outflows, and you get a net present value of a positive $7,486.20. And what this means is two things. One, you would accept the project as a positive net present value. The other thing that you should know is that when you accept a positive net present value, this is how much you change the value of the firm. So if you accept this project, you will add $7,486.20 to the value of the firm, the wealth of the shareholder.